Are you someone who's very curious by nature professionally? Are you someone who often wonders about overlapping of different roles that are available in the market? For example, what if what are product managers, and what if I become a business analyst? Well, if such kind of questions really haunt your mind, this video is for you. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because in this video further I'm going to discuss about the comparison between the role of a product manager and a business analyst. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman, and here in this video I'm going to discuss some differences between a product manager and a business analyst, and basically from our perspective. So the two biggest difference between a product manager and a business analyst is number one, outward versus inwards. Now what is that? Product managers are outward facing, right? In that, how do exactly do you figure that out is that they look at the market and they interact with customers to assess product opportunities. We all know that, right? Now for product managers, the ultimate goal is the product itself, right? While it is important for the product managers to understand why people use the product, they generally do not define how people will use it, right? Now here comes the entry of business analysts. Now business analysts are typically inward facing. These folks focus efforts inside the company, at processes, at practices and internal systems to determine how to best build and support what the product manager is requesting on behalf of customers and the market, right? In more IT centric environments, business analysts also identify opportunities to automate processes and functions, right? Point number two, business requirements versus technical specification, right? Now product managers are responsible for finding the highest value problems to solve and validate that the team has created, right? They focus on creating meaningful solutions. The product managers, right, they own the product vision and roadmap for the entire life of the product, right? These are the folks, these product managers are the folks that ask what is next, right? What direction are we taking this product into, and what are the customers asking for, and do those requests align with our strategic initiatives, right? They will ask questions like, why are we building this feature right now? These are the burning questions that basically product managers highlight, right? Now when we talk about business analysts, they are responsible for gathering technical specifications so that the product can be developed. Now if product managers focus on the why of a solution, the business analysts do the heavy lifting to work with engineering to determine how of a solution from a functional user perspective, right? They also ask questions like, what internal business challenges will we face while we're taking building this product, or what technical restraints do we have, and how I can document them for the team to digest. What are certain risks that are known, and what action items it could lead, so that we can come up with feasible solutions, right? So these are the two main differences that product managers and analysts have. The one thing that both product managers and business analysts are both responsible for building products that customers love. Well, if you found this video to be insightful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and so that every time there's a new video released, you would be the first one to be notified. Thank you so much.